Okay, day 2, solving multi-step equations. I was going to skip over this one, and then I noticed there's variables on both sides, and that you might have forgotten. So let's solve. Just adds one small little layer over here yesterday. So if you have a variable on one side, or both sides rather, we want to get rid of one of them. It doesn't matter which one you move, but I would always want to keep my variable positive. So if I'm looking at 2x and 4x, I want to move this 2x over. So to get rid of positive 2x, we do minus 2x. Whatever we do on one side, we do to the other. So bring everything down, so negative 7. These 2x's will cancel out. 4x minus 2x is 2x minus 3. And now we're back to what we were looking at yesterday. Now it's just a regular two-step equation. So to get x by itself, we get rid of minus 3. So add 3 to both sides. Negative 7 plus 3 is negative 4 equals 2x. These will cancel. To get rid of the times 2, we divide by 2. Again, both sides. Keep everything balanced every step of the way. We're left with negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2 equals x, or x equals negative 2. And then the very last part, for TSI reasons, they want to know if x is negative 2, what is 3x? So our final step would be to say what is 3 times negative 2, which is just negative 6. Okay. So more or less, it's the same work as yesterday. It's just this one additional step at the very beginning of combining our variables together. All right, so if we look at, let's go blue. Start off a little different. So 10 minus a equals a. So this one, if we brought this positive a to the left-hand side, we would have nothing left on the right, and then you'd have to move everything back. So for simplicity's sake, we want to get rid of this minus a. So we do plus a to both sides. And then we end up with not even a two-step equation because we just have 10 left over here. A plus a is 2a. And then 2 times what is 10? Or divide both sides by 2 if you really want to show all your work. We get a equals 5. And if a equals 5, then we can do 12a by saying what is 12 times 5, which gives us 60. There you go. So it's not always going to be a two-step equation at the end. It just depends on what you were left with. So that's the examples. I did want to look at one of the questions on the paper because it's different from the others. I don't know if they made a mistake. Not that our math writers would ever make a mistake on the questions. LOL. But we notice this one's a little bit different because on the right-hand side, it's 20x plus 28x. So before we move anything to the other sides, we just need to combine these terms. So 20x plus 28x is 48x equals, and bring the rest down, so negative 77 plus 23x. Okay? I'm not going to work out all of that, but I will tell you, you will get a decimal answer. There's your hint. This will not come out to a nice number. You probably didn't make a mistake. That's just the way the question is. Okay, if you have trouble, same as always, send me a message through Canvas. Otherwise, bye.